Hello all and welcome back to another video guys. So recently TCS has announced Smart Hiring BPS Drive. So the registrations are opened till 23rd May and test date is 6th of June. For more details about this drive I have covered in another video. I will share you the link of this video in the description and you can see over in the iCards. So to know more about this insight of this drive, do watch that video. So if you are new to my channel RKSG Tech, do subscribe and press the bell icon because lot more surprises to come up more about this Smart Hiring BPS drive. So in this video I'm going to cover all the syllabus and one model paper also, so don't miss, watch till the end. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. So in the Smart Hiring exam guys, they are going to ask 24 questions from verbal ability section and they are giving 30 minutes of duration, and they are going to ask 26 questions from numerical ability section and they are going to give 40 minutes of duration for numerical ability section, and they are going to ask 30 questions from reasoning ability and they are giving a duration of 50 minutes. I will go through each and every section guys and tell you what are all the topics that we have to learn for this exam. So coming to verbal ability section, these are all the topics they are going to ask questions from. So pause this video for a second and watch what are all the topics they are going to ask. I prefer mainly you to prepare more on passage questions because there will be one or two passage questions and synonyms and antonyms and ordering of sentences, etc. So coming to numerical ability section, these are all the topics they are going to ask. Pause this video for a few seconds and go through each and every topic what they are going to ask. So coming to reasoning ability section, so these are all the topics that they are going to ask in the exam. So pause this video for a few seconds and go through what are all the topics that they are going to ask in the exam. So let's move to our TCS BPS Drive Model Paper 1 discussion. So in this model paper, first we are going to discuss few questions on verbal ability. So in the first question we have to find out the mistake in the given sentence. For this question the option is C, this is the covered person, and the explanation is given over here. And coming to second question also same, it is similar to first question. So we have to find out the what is the mistake in the given sentence. So for the second question the answer is D and explanation is this sentence has no error. So coming to 3 to 4 question guys, fill in the blank type questions. We have to fill the blank with the right options that have been given. So for the third question the option is C. So coming to fourth question, similarly they have given the fill in the blank and we have to fill the blank with the right answer. So for the fourth question the option is C and you can see the explanation that has been given over here. So for the fifth question we have to find out the sentence which is the grammatically correct. So answer for the fifth question is option B. So from question 6 to 10 guys, it is a passage question. I will give you a simple tip for the passage questions. Don't go through all the passage before you attempt the question. First see the question. In this case the question is the passage speaks of. So first go through the question and then search for the answer in the passage. For this first question the answer is A. The seventh question, which is the best example of a dog, that is housebroken. So first you go through the question and next you go through the passage. Here we can see the words called have been already housebroken. So the answer might be here somewhere. So for the seventh question the answer is D, that is option D. So for the eighth question guys, the option is A. So once go through the passage and come back here for the answer after reading the question. So for the question number 9, the answer is C and here they have given the explanation. For the 10th question, the option is A. So here you can find the explanation for the question. So for the 11th question number is in synonym question. So we have to find the synonym for corrupulent. The synonym for corrupulent is obese, that is option D. And for the question number 12, the option is D. For the question number 13, the option is A. So guys, what I prefer you is first go through the question once and find out the answer by yourself and check whether the answer is correct or not. So 14th number question is a different type of question guys. We have to find the relation between the two words. So for the question number 14 the option is D. The question number 15 is also similar kind of question like 14, the option is D. So coming to 16th question, it is also similar kind of question to from above. So option for the 16th question is D. So our next section is numerical ability questions. So here the first question is on ratios and proportions. So once go through the question once and come back to the answer next. So answer for the first question is option A, and here the explanation for the first question has been given. So coming to second question is based on time and distance. So answer for the second question is option B. So this is the explanation for the second question. So third question is based on time and work. Remember this guys, from time and work there will be at least two questions, two or more questions. So focus mainly on time and work. Answer for the third question is option C. So question number 4 is based on quadratic equations. So we have to solve the quadratic equation, find out the value. So answer for the question number 4 is option A. So question number 5 is based on elementary statistics. So many of those have this doubt like whether they will ask questions on statistics or not. I'm not sure, but it is better to practice elementary statistics because we don't want any surprises in examination. So answer for the question number 5 is option C. So question number 6 is based on percentages. So answer for the question number 6 is B. The question number 7 is based on profit and loss. So answer for the question number 7 is option A. So question number 8 is based on time and distance. So answer for the question number 8 is option D. So question number 9 is completely based on mixtures and allocations. So mixtures and allocations is also another one more important topic that the question will become for sure. So do more practice. So here for the question number 9, the answer is C. So question number 10 is based on geometry. So answer for the question number 10 is option D. So question number 11 is indirectly based on building up a quadratic equation and solving them. So this is one of the most important topic and this is the one of the most important model question. So answer for the question number 11 is option D. So question number 12 is based on profit and loss. So this is profit and loss also we can expect one or more questions. So do practice more on profit and loss. So answer for the question number 12 is option C. So question number 13 is based on again based on elementary statistics. So answer for the question number 13 is option A. So question number 14, this is based on percentages. So answer for the 14th question is option C. So question number 15 is again based on geometry. So answer for the question number 15 is option A. So question number 16 is based upon simple interest. So simple interest and compound interest, from these topics also we can expect one or more questions. So answer for the question number 16 is option C. So question number 17 is to compute the given value. So answer for the question number 17 is option C. So question number 18 is a kind of miscellaneous question guys. So answer for the question number 18 is option C. So question number 19 is again based on simple interest and compound interest. So this question is based on compound interest. So answer for the question number 19 is option A. So question number 20 is based upon time and work. So as I said earlier, this is the third question in our model paper. So answer for the question number 20 is option A. So question number 21 is kind of miscellaneous question, and we have to find out an integer that is exactly divisible by 24. So answer for the question number 21 is option D. So question number 22 is based upon elementary statistics. So why I have given the questions from elementary statistics is that don't ignore any topic from numerical ability, guys. So I'm trying to cover all the topics so that you will have a thorough go through and each and every topic. So answer for here 22nd question is option B. So question number 23 is based upon mean proportional. So this is based upon a question. This question is based on the topics called ratios and proportions. So answer for the question number 23 is option D. So before going to our next section, guys, I have uploaded how I have cracked TCS. How I have prepared for the TCS exam. I will share you the link in the description, or you can find in the iCards. Do watch my preparation strategy because it might help you. So question number 1 is based upon the completing the series. So answer for the question number 1 is option D. So question number 2 is based upon series only. So we have to find out the number which comes next. So answer for the question number 2 is B. So question number 3. So third question is also based upon series, guys. So answer for the question number 3 is B. So I have provided the explanation for the question also. So if you found any difficulty understanding the question, so please go through the explanation once. So you might understand how the answer got computed. So question number 4 is also similar. It is based upon series and answer is option C. So question number 5 is a different kind of question. So this kind of questions we can expect in reasoning. So answer for the question number 5 is option B. So question number 6 is based upon coding and decoding topic. So in this coding and decoding topic, we have to know each and every letter position. That is A belongs to first position, B belongs to second position, C belongs to third position respectively. We have to be thoroughly which alphabet comes at which position. So answer for the 6th question is option C. So 7th question, I still remember, guys, in my TCS exam, I think the similar question has been asked in my TCS exam. So that's the reason I have kept this question in our model paper. So answer for the question number 7 is option B. So question number 8 is also based upon coding and decoding. So answer for the question number 8 is option A. So question number 9 is also based upon concept, coding and decoding, and answer is option D. So 10th question is also similar, guys. So answer for the 10th question is option C. 11th question is based upon blood relations. In reasoning section, we can expect at least more than one questions from the blood relation, guys. So practice more questions on blood relations. So answer for the 11th question is option D. So question number 12 is based upon blood relations. This kind of questions comes under the coding, like they will give a code and we have to decode the code and find out the blood relation. So answer for the question number 12 is option C. So question number 13 is also based upon blood relations. So answer for the question number 13 is option D. So question number 14 is based upon water images. So you please make sure that you thoroughly go through the question, because there will be two types of questions called water images and mirror images. So this question is based upon water images. So answer for the question number 14 is option D. So 15th question is also based upon water images. So answer for the 15th number question is option B. So 16th number question is also based upon water images. So answer for the 16th question is option C. So the 17th and 18th questions are based upon spatial figures concept. So 19th question is based upon paper folding questions. Here in this question they have folded paper in the given representation as given. So we have to find out how the paper looks like if it is unfolded. So answer for the question number 19 is option C. So question number 20 is also similar kind of question. So answer for the question number 20 is option D. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you like the video, and mostly I have covered all the topics. So if you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in the comment section. I will try to reply you back. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe and press the bell icon to stay connected further. In my next video, guys, I am going to explain furthermore model papers for this BPS drive. So I will cover most of the topics. So stay connected. See you in the next video.